Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got my Rite Aid boxes in from some of the orders that I did the week of, when was that? Second to last week in May, something like that. Actually, I have the date here, I think. Yes, not the second to last week of May, the last week of May, which was the 26th. Today is June 6th, so it did take almost 2 weeks to get here. Not quite, but yeah, not too bad. And if you're curious to know what the deal was on this, then you can check out the videos that are going to be linked down in the description. And I go over the how I got this for free plus a moneymaker. So I was able to get this is at least over $120 worth of product. Well, probably even more than that. 100, well over 150 for sure of product that I got for free plus a moneymaker, which is amazing. I couldn't even believe it. I was waiting for them to like take it back at any time and say, oops. Once it took a long time to get here, I was like, okay, what are they going to do with that? I haven't seen an update on it or anything. I just wanted to update you on a few things before I unbox everything. One was I mentioned in my video of the haul that I did last week that I didn't get the $10 back for the Sally Hansen and the CoverGirl because two of the Sally Hansens were on clearance and they had to price adjust one of them. I think that's what messed it up. I called customer service. I was literally on the phone for like 2 minutes, maybe three max. He looked at my transaction. I provided him all the information from my receipt. Well, just the transaction number mainly, and the date. He asked for the date and my phone number. And then he just verified that I did make the purchase and he gave me the $10 back. Then, within about 10 to 15 minutes later, I got a message on my Facebook Messenger from Rite Aid responding to my request to give me the $10 back from that birthday online coupon that was not working. So that, to my surprise, they issued it. It took forever. They did apologize for the delay. It probably took like 8 days or something like that. But yeah, that was interesting. I was gonna call and then I just said, I don't even know if I want to bother with it. And then they sent me that message. So that was nice. Really nice to have that in my account. So I'm $20 bonus cash richer today than I was yesterday, which is awesome. I did want to update you guys on that. And topic of discussion, that 5 off of 25 black and white coupon. My sister let me know she tried it today, June 6th, and one of the associates let her know that they don't scan coupons from the phones any longer, that they're not taking screenshots. Well, this is the same store that I shop in, and she tried it, and the lady she's anti coupon anyway, but she was totally against using it. And as I was on the phone with customer service, I, gave him the information, like general question. And I told him, in a situation like this where I use screenshots, what should I do when the associate does not accept them? He said, you can refer to our policy that we do accept the coupons from the phone. Well, I asked him to point me in the direction of that policy, and the direction he pointed me to didn't lead me there, so I have no way to pull that up. But I was told by him to do the survey at the bottom of the receipt to let them know of my experience, and that way the manager can let all his associates know to accept the coupons from the phone. So I'm hoping that works. I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. Have any of you experienced that? Is it just an associate's preference, or is your store completely saying no to those screenshots? Because a lot of the coupons that we use now are from screenshots. And the reason why we use screenshots, my sister and I, is because we don't have service in our store. Of course, the black and white one is iffy in itself. A lot of people question that one just because the way it looks. So I can understand like someone questioning that one. But what about all the other ones? That's what I'm saying in general. So that's an issue that we're running up against, and hopefully, nobody gives her any more problems other than that particular associate. I haven't had any issues with that one. I had one time an associate was like, "What is this? Why does it look like that?" And I had to explain it. I said, "It scans just fine, though." Once I told her that, she scanned it and it was fine. So it was just questionable, but she still went on ahead and used it. So, yeah, that one's. I guess we could try to print them and just go in and use the printed version. That's a solution as well if you really need to use that coupon. So, I mean, Rite Aid has been so gracious to us and given us a lot of savings opportunities with the 5 off of 25s they've been sending out and Catalinas and stuff. So, I guess you could just pick and choose your battles however you want to, deal with that. Let me know what you think. I think it's just, it depends on the associate. So, this is the first box that I got. Well, I don't know if it's the first one or not, but I did get some lion's mane mushroom, super lion's mane, and some organic beetroot powder, and some more of the Shea Mitchell Hydrolyte. I think this one really upset my stomach though. When I drank some, it had my stomach upset for a while. So I gotta be careful with that. But I think that's it in this one, yeah. And that was all free plus a moneymaker. These are usually pretty expensive in the store, but these are good for a lot of different reasons. So I like to have that. And this is the second box. Oop. Slapping you in the face with my paper here. So some of the turmeric, which is really good for you. Some ultra libido, spice up the life a little bit. Some brain up. This is really good. I had this before and I felt like it made such a difference in my focus. And then these help with weight loss, so I usually keep those on hand. And I'm not a doctor, so I'm just letting you know what I've, experienced. Just my experience and my knowledge, that's all. Milk thistle seed extract. Actually, I don't know what this is good for. I did do some research, but I can't remember what it's all good for. And then some collagen. I've never taken this, but my mom does and my mother-in-law. So I guess I figured if they're taking it, I may as well get a head start on it and try it out. I am getting older, so I think that was it. Yeah. So all of those items are pretty expensive, but to get that for an amazing deal was awesome. I know a lot of people had issues when they were trying to do that deal with the coupon. That $1.50 off coupon was a pain in the neck for a lot of people. I had put everything in my cart and then clipped the coupon and it worked, but I don't know, it wasn't working for some people. I'm not quite sure what was going on with that. Yeah, so this is all I have to show you for the unboxing. I just wanted to hop on and give you some updates and, talk about that screenshot issue, and hopefully you guys have some experience to share with us in the comments. That would be great. I do plan on going to Rite Aid to do a walkthrough video because I do want to get all of the monthly deal tags in order so I can update the list. Right now it's outdated. So if you reference the list, it is not updated as of yet. It does take a few days for me to gather all of the accurate information. But yes, look out for that to be updated soon. As far as the walkthrough video goes, some of you said you liked the online one where I took everything from online and let you know of the deals that are going on. And some of you, I'm pretty sure you're like me, you like the walkthrough video. So I will try to get that one up this week as well. If not, then I'll try for next week. But that's just the best I can do for this time. So hopefully it's still helpful. But all right, guys, let me know what you're getting. If you're not already able to get the Dollar Shave Club and Father's Day card deal, you should definitely check that one out. It's basically you're going to want to find two Dollar Shave Club items. If you can find them clearance, that's better. And use the $3.50 off coupon. It's off of one. It's a digital coupon, or you can find it on coupons.com. Submit it through the app at least. I don't know if it's available to print. And then you're going to want to grab two of the American Greeting cards, Father's Day cards. They say they need to be Father's Day cards, so I don't think they'll work with any other card. But they do have to at least be $2.99 each. And once you buy all four, you'll get $10 back in bonus cash. There is a 4 off of 2 coupon if you can find it in your store. So yeah, that's a really good deal. I'm hoping to find some clearance, but last time I looked, there wasn't anything left. But I can probably make something work with the other items that are included. But yeah, there's the Huggies deal. There's a lot going on that you can make happen. Hopefully you have some purchase-based coupons. But yeah, let me know what you're getting this week. I'd love to hear from you. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.